Hello, stick with me here already in a following video that is coming up shortly. I am going to respond to those individuals who claim that they care about Tigray people, they concern about the future of Tigray children. Here is a question. Do you really believe them? Do you really believe that they're concerned about the future of Tigray children? If you ask me, well, let's play the video. Go play the video.
Hello everyone, welcome to Billy Soma Show with Wayesa. Today I'm going to talk to those people who are in a chat rooms saying to Tigray people, after TPLF is gone, this and that will happen to you, to your children in Tigray, on and on. Look, Tigray people don't need you people. Tigray people don't want to associate with you. Leave them alone. Don't worry about the future of Tigray people. Don't worry about the future of Tigray children. Worry about your own people. Your people are getting abused, tortured as we speak today in a prison. Worry about your people. Concerned about your people. Organize. Do something about it if you really care. The future of Tigray people doesn't concern you. Don't you see? Tigray people are not trying to reach out to you. Tigray communities are not trying to reach out to you. Why are you trying to reach out to them? Don't you see? They don't want to talk to you. They don't want to associate with you because they are, of course, obviously, they are benefiting from the TPLF system. Don't worry about the future. Again, don't you worry about the future of Tigray people. Don't worry about the future of Tigray children. Because TPLF, I think Tigray people, Tigray children think TPLF will live forever. They think TPLF is going to stay on power forever and ever. I don't think TPLF is going to stay on power forever. No, that's not going to happen. Thank you so much for watching Billy Soma Show. My name is Wayesa. This is Alternative Media. Bye-bye.